Okay, now I'll take a look down line towards the street. Oh, holding water here. Big time. Got a double offset there. Goes right and then left. And that's all now. Yeah, that looks very poor. Alright, let's go to the low end of this dip. With a dip and a double bend, there's no way it's not going to be a problem. I don't know why they put that double offset in there. I got 2 green marks. I'd recommend you fix it between those 2 green marks. I don't know why all those fittings are in there. Figure it out, get rid of that dip, get rid of all those bends. That would be my recommendation.